right, this is yours, Richard.
Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh, that is so...
A lot of people do care, so I'm trying to. So these are the colors that Richard has chosen for his quilt. What are you going to use for the back? Or what is he going to use for the backing?
So we usually do that on week 3.
Okay, so he hasn't chosen that yet.
It may change. No.
Okay.
That's when you'll get your batting and all the different things to finish. That way it's not, you don't have 20 things that you're not using.
All
so
at
we
once,
just wait
yeah.
to the end.
That's good.
Yeah. Not quite as overwhelming.
I went with...
She's filming your beautiful fabric.
Yep.
These will be the other 3.
Hey, that's wonderful. I appreciate you doing that.
Sure. I'll
Yeah.
go with that. It'd be
Oh, honey,
fantastic.
this is going to be so awesome.
Yeah, it's going to be pretty.
Yes.
And she said that you choose the backing later, like week 3.
Okay.
And
So-
because mainly we're going to have some fabric left over, and that will help you decide the binding, which is what finishes the edge.
Yeah.
And that sometimes determines what you want on the back.
Okay.
So, I mean, we have some really brights that you might want on the back.
Yeah.
I have that blue.
Yeah.
Or we have some less bright ones too. So
Yeah.
sometimes our backing choice changes once we get it out.
Get it all together,
Well,
yeah.
I hate to say it, but I like that pattern.
That's
I
fun.
did there.
You know
Well,
what it's called? It's called
No.
bedrock.
Bedrock?
Like you build your whole
Oh,
quilt
wow.
on. Yeah.
That's called bedrock first.
I like the name
Yes.
of that. And this will be that 9.5 inch again. We just want to let
So
our
that's
eyes.
at 17 and a
Half,
half.
did we line it up? That's so funny.
Yes, right
All
there.
right. Grab that one. And that gives us that piece. Now we need 5-inch squares.
Now we need 5 in
Just 5. So it's already 5 this way. We just need 5 that way.
there. Okay, so
Yeah, let's line up on a solid line.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Perfect.
22.
Mhm. Which is this one is going to be in the middle, and then you're
Okay.
just going to pick the ones on either side, and we're just going to pin it up here so you can see.
Oh, got
Oh,
a design
okay.
board.
So I just want you to see how pretty it's going to look with what you have. Just going to use pin and put your middle one in. So just grab 4 of the 5 there and pin it up either side. Just some pins.
Just take one or...
Yep, just take one. Just start to envision what you want yours to look like.
One at a time, honey. You have to be able to pin more than one at a
Yeah, I
time.
told her to grab 4 at the top. There you go. There.
Okay.
Stick for me. The same exact squares. So maybe this one And this is where your corner piece happens.
Okay.
So then you'll get to choose one of these. That will go like that.
Yeah.
And then you'll continue over here. This may start falling, but I'm gonna go with it for the moment. And see how we don't repeat? This is the one we want to repeat.
Okay,
And
so
maybe this one next.
I was just thinking of that one.
Yeah,
And then that's where my other square would go in.
exactly. Where that would fall. Sprinkled. But this one is actually not another square. It is this stripe coming in. So we
Okay.
actually use your concentrated fabric. Like that. And the very next row, you'll actually start this trailing down, and you'll still be following that stair step like that, and then filling in the others.
That is awesome.
Isn't that fun? I just wanted you to.
Thanks for watching, and I would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. It would help us out a lot, and hit the thumbs up button. Also, if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. I'd appreciate that also. Have a good day or night.